bird.
Who?
David, clarinet player.
Oh jeez.
That's exactly what I was starting to think.
Oh. So the clarinet. Like seriously.
Shoots people with this
Yes,
clarinet. I know, I
does.
see it.
Like I turn around and this clarinet's pointed right at my face.
And they goes.
And I'm like, thank you.
No. Whenever he does that now, I just go like.
Oh, I know. But if you like fire back, it.
What?
That you saw a zebra.
Hey, wait,
Oh,
hold this,
God.
hold this, hold this.
Hold on.
Hold that.
Let me give me a
Hold
sec.
Hold that, hold it. Give me one.
Behind you, what?
Come at me, bro.
It is 5 o'clock.
Oh, zebra. Zebra attack!
Deflected.
Well, look at the bright side. At least you found your zebra.
No, that's wrong.
That's not my zebra. This is not my zebra. Not
It's
my
a
zebra.
zebra.
This is not my
Did
zebra.
you get-
Look what I found for you, sweetheart. This is Aini. He's a fairy princess. He just doesn't know it yet.
You should add me on Facebook so I can tag you in
There
this.
you go. I'm walking out.
I'm gonna come with you. Maybe they'll follow.
Let's go.
Here you go. I don't know where this goes.
Hi, zebras. I know I couldn't find you.
Okay.
God, TJ got me a zebra last time we were in here, and I don't know where it is now.
It's kind of like not the season for zebras, so
Who
you know.
cares? Zebras should always be here.
Okay.
You never know when you want a
Linda,
zebra.
line 2, please. Linda, line 2.
Will you just
Bye, Michaels.